Okay, now let's look at this. Find V and the voltage across the 3 ohm resistor. Now, if you look at this point over here, what do you see? You see that all these are all connected together. Okay, so that means whatever 4 ampere come in, all right, it will split into all these 4 branches from the same point. Okay, even though I draw it like this, if you imagine it from a breadboard perspective, okay, imagine it from a breadboard perspective, you can think of it that 4 ampere is coming in from one wire, okay, and I can tap out the 4 different resistors or 4 different branches from that same column. Okay, so all of them are going to split at the same time, okay, from a single point. And how will they split? So of course you have your current divider rule, which you can use to analyze, but in this case you can see that each branch is actually having the same resistance. Okay, each branch is actually having the same resistance, so the current will actually split equally among all 4 branches. So if 4 amp come in, I will split equally into 1 ampere each. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and with that you can say that the voltage across the 3 ohm resistor is equals to IR, which is 1 times 3, should be 3 volts. Okay, so this is, again, you can easily solve it, okay, if you analyze and look at it this way. If you use the current divider rule, or you try to convert a parallels into a single resistor and then solve it, you will still get the same answer. Okay, but this is by looking at the circuit and trying to understand it, you can solve it a bit more quickly.